Some people love only one sport and despise others, but I love all sports. I play baseball, basketball, football, golf, especially mini golf, to name a few. I don't care if I play a sport that most people hate, as long as it is fun and I like it, I will play it no matter what people say. For example, I play basketball and I play it more often than other sports because it is convenient. Almost every park has numerous basketball courts. However, I also like golf. I joined the Bayside High School's golf team and endured rigorous comments on how boring the sport was and how non-athletic the sport was. I guess golf was fun because I play baseball, and baseball involves hitting a ball with a bat and golf involves hitting a ball with a club. They are similar in that way and they both appeal to me. I play football and enjoy it because it's just plain fun. I like to catch a football and compete on who can catch better. I love sports so much that I can't even remember how I got involved. Frankly, I can't remember when I first watched a sport or attempted to play a sport. All I remember is that me and my brother joined a basketball team at a young age at a YMCA, and I learned 2 basic passes. In football, all I remember was throwing a football to my brother with perfect spirals, and my brother became jealous. I like learning about sports by interacting rather than reading about the sport. For example, I play basketball with better people and I learn rules about the game I didn't already know. But not all people like playing sports. Some people prefer to play video games rather than playing sports. I play video games, but I would rather be playing the actual game in real life. I would play the video game, but I would be rather playing basketball with my friends. I think that playing sports is a good way of keeping me away from drugs and violence. Many of my peers have problems at home and abuse drugs and violence in order to free themselves from their worries. I love all sports and I don't know what appeals to me for all of them. All I know is I love playing sports.